Hello and welcome to Taynas Body Care channel. I'm Tanya. The last time I posted, I was overseas, spending a little time getting to know some family members. But here I am, I'm back home. And of course, the soaps are going well. And it's just a fantastic time to be alive. And what's new, what's different? Well, now I'm making my own jewelry. So some of it is kind of simple because I'm learning different techniques. I'm actually doing a course at Sauna Studios in Ligani. But I just wanted to show you, for example, some of the simple pieces I've made. But simple or not, I am loving them to the max. So this is a fairly easily bendable piece of wire because it's called wire art. And here is my pendant that I'm liking very much. Here is a matching ring. Here is my other ring. These are from Beaded by Roxy, that is now called Thou Art. And of course, here is a very simple bracelet. So I have accessorized this morning with basically my own jewelry, including my earrings. What are your thoughts? You know, life is so precious. It's a wonderful gift from God. We have so many talents, so many gifts, so many abilities inside of us waiting to come out. What kind of talent do you have? What gifts do you have inside that are laying there, sleeping, and needing to come out? Think on these things. Let me know. Leave a comment. Subscribe to our channel. We post, and when you subscribe, you are some of the first ones to know what's new on the channel. We have a lot to share. Sometimes the time is not right, but today I just wanted to show you my pieces of accessories done by me, and of course to remind you that there is so much inside you waiting to come out. I'm Tanya from Taynas Body Care. It's time to go worship Yeshua because we have to give thanks for all that has been placed inside of us. Bye.